Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to fix the issue when Chrome doesn't offer to save your passwords on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Enter your login information on the website for which you want to save the password. Step 3. Look for the key icon, commonly known as the password icon, located to the right of the address bar. Click on it and select Save from the drop-down menu. If you don't see the key icon, there's a simple solution. Try deleting the existing password for that website and then sign in again. This action often triggers Chrome to offer to save your password. By following these steps, you can resolve the issue when Chrome doesn't offer to save your passwords on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.